Hello guys. Today we are going to solve another problem of lead code with the help of DSA. Okay, so I need to share my live. So that's why beta minute I'm going to share my live with students. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen with you. I, my voice is audible to you. Okay, so now we can continue. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so we are going to solve problem number 953. Okay, so we can search this problem lead code 953. Verifying an alien dictionary. Okay, alien dictionary, like we have another language that is alien language. Okay, so you can see here, this is the problem statement. Okay, I'm going to remove solution. Okay, so verifying an alien dictionary. Okay, so here in an alien language, surprisingly, they also use English lowercase letter. Okay, they use English lowercase letter, but possibly in different order. Okay, but they have different orders. Okay, the order of the alphabet is some permutations of lowercase letters. Okay, so given a sequence of words written in the alien language. Okay, so given a sequence of words written in the alien language and the order of the alphabet written true, if and only if the given word are sorted lexicographically in this alien language. Okay, so I will told you what is lexicographically. Okay, so here, like, we have word equals to hello, comma, lead code. Okay, and order in alien language, its order is like this. Okay, h l a v c d e f g h i j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. Okay, so this is the order in alien language. Okay, so it will give you true as a come before l. Okay, in this language, then the sequence is sorted. Okay, like here, h come here first, and after this l. Okay, and here you can see example 2, bird, bird and row. These are the birds. Okay, and order of these birds. Okay, okay, this one, WORLDABCEDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Okay, this is false. As D come, D, this D, this D, and this D. D come after L. Okay, here you can see WOR, both are same, but D come after L here. D come after L. In this language, okay, D come after L in this language, then word zero, length of word zero, this is a zero word. I mean, at index zero, we have this word. Okay, so length of zero word is greater than length of word at index one. Hence, the sequence is unsorted. Okay, if length of this word is greater than this, then it will give you true. Otherwise, it will false. Okay, because D come after the L. Now we can see example 3, bird equals to apple app. Okay, order equals to this one, a b c d e f g h I j k l. Okay, so this is the order, and this will give you false because it's length. Okay, so the first three character of app, you can see here, app, the first three character of app match, and the match with this. Okay, second string, the second string in the sorted inside. Okay, according to lexical rules, apple is greater than app. Okay, because length of apple is greater than app, because is greater than l is greater than, what is it here, app file, whatever, where l is greater than o, where o is defined as the blank character which is less than any other character. Okay, so here like they both have like a f, you can see first word app and second word. Okay, so we have they have length same till 0 1 and 2 index 2. After this they don't match their length. Okay, so that's why apple is greater than app. Okay, so this is I'm telling you, I'm giving you why it is false. Okay, so here we can see here. Okay, so in my notebook I'm writing verifying alien dictionary problem statement, verifying alien dictionary. Okay, so here you are given a list of birds. Okay, these are the list of birds, these apple app. Okay, birds and bird row. Okay, so these are the what sequence of birds. Okay, or you can say list of birds. Okay, so a string order which represent the alphabetical order, a string order which represent string order which represent the alphabetical order of the character in an alien language. Okay, so here you task is determine if the given list of the word is sorted according to the alien order. Okay, so we are going to do we are going to determine if given list of the word is sorted according to the alien dictionary or alien order. Okay, so rule, each word must appear lexicographical before or equal to the next word based on the given order. Okay, so what is the lexicographical? Compare letter by letter. Okay, and using a given alphabet order, formal or alien. We are going to compare letter by letter using a given alphabet or order. Okay, so here each word must appear lexicographically before or equal to the next word based on the given order. Okay, if two words share a prefix, the shorter word should come first. App. Okay, shorter word app should come first before apple. Okay, so here we can see it will return true if word are sorted correctly. Otherwise, it will return false if the order is violated anywhere. So here we can see we have bird, hello, and lead code. Okay, this is already given in the problem. Hello and lead code. This is for a first example. Hello and lead code, and order also given in the problem. This is the order. Okay, alien order. Now I'm going to create rank in dictionary. Okay, for this order. So here I'm going to create rank. Okay, so we have h at 0 index. Okay, so here we have h at 0 index and l at index 1, and I have a at index 2, and b at index 3, and c at index 4. Okay, so I mean you can calculate rank of every alphabet from here. Okay, or you can say every character from here one by one. I only calculate for h till c. Okay, so you can calculate its rank h to z. Okay, so means h come before l. Okay, here you can see h at index 0, This means H come before L because L at index 1, and L come before A because here you can see L is before because L has index 1 and A has index 2. Okay, that's why L come before A. Okay, so this given every character a numerical rank according to its order in a alien language. Okay, so this give every character a numerical rank according to its order in a alien language. Okay, so here you can see we have index 0. Okay, at index 0 we have H, this one. Here you can see I have H at index 0. Okay, so W1H. Okay, so this is the bird, W1 bird. I'm going to take H from first word. In hello I'm going to take H from hello. Okay, so W1J I'm going to take H. Okay, and W2J I'm going to take L. Okay, now rank of W1J. Okay, so I'm going to find out rank of H. Okay, so here H has 0 rank. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here. Okay, now I have L. Okay, W2 at index here, W2J. Okay, so I got L, and I'm going to find out rank of L. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now I am going to compare it like it is greater than or less than. Okay, so it is showing like 0 is less than 1. Okay, so this is in correct order and break. Okay, so here since H come before L, but are in correct order, no more pair and return true. Okay, so here we need to return true. Output should be true. We need to compare any other word. Okay, H come before L, but are in correct order, so no more pair return true. Okay, so here we can see another example. Like we have different word. Okay, word comma world comma row. Okay, so these are the word. Okay, here order of these word in this is the order of these word in alien language. Okay, so I'm going to find out its rank. W at index 0, R at index, sorry, O at index 1, L, sorry, R at index 2, L at index 3, D at index 4, and A at index 5. Okay, so these are the orders, this one, or this is the rank of the word. Okay, now I am going to compare by taking both word and word. Okay, so here you can see W1J. In W1J I have WORD. Okay, and here in W2 I have WORL. Okay, so like length is not equal to, so we can take only equal length. Okay, so here WORL. Okay, we left D because we have W1 length is 4 and W2 length is also, we can take 4. Okay, so now we are going to calculate its rank. Okay, so here WW same. Okay, we can continue, both are same at index 0. Now OO same, continue. Okay, because they have a rank 1. Okay, now we can check same R in W bird also, and word also R. So here we can same or continue, we can do continue this thing. Okay, now we have D here also, D also, sorry, D here. Okay, but L here. Okay, so length of bird we got 4, and here till now we have length of 3, but 2 length has 3. So this is a wrong order. W1 is greater than W3. Okay, like if it has like a W3 is like a W1 should be less than to W4. Okay, then we can continue, otherwise it will wrong order and return false. Okay, so here D come after L, you can see here D come after L. Here D come after L. Okay, not before L. Okay, but here D come before of L. Here you can see D is before L. Okay, so D come after L in alien order. Okay, D come after L, before L, here in rank. Okay, so we need to L here. Okay, so here D come after L in alien order, so not sorted, return false. Okay, so it will return false. Okay, first if D is here, sorry, if L is here and D is here, then it will give you true. Okay, because they have correct order. L is before and D is after the L. Okay, but here D is before to the L, so that's why it will give you return false. Okay, and output should be false. Now we can take another example. Okay, so example is birds equals to apple or app. Okay, these are two words. Okay, and this is the alien order. Whatever A B C D E F G H I J, whatever blah, 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 already given in the problem. Okay, so on these order are already given in the problem. Okay, and these example also available in the problem. Here you can see. Now we can compare apple and app. Okay, so here I'm going to check by later letter by letter, sorry. So A equals to A. Okay, here I'm going to take character A from bird one. So here this A here, and I'm going to pick this A from WT, but second. Okay, so here both are equal, and here you can see at index 1 here P, and at index 1 at WT we also have P. Okay, so P equals to P. Again we have P, and here P. P equals to P equals to P. Okay, so no different found, loop ended. Okay, then check. Okay, so what we will do, like if they like no difference found out, or we can continue with same letters. Okay, so here we can calculate its length if length of w1 is greater than length of w2. Okay, length of w1 is greater and length of w2 is less, so it will return false, otherwise it will give you true. Okay, so length of apple is 5 and length of app is 3. So longer word first, prefix rule broken, or output will give you output false. Okay, we want length like w2 should be greater than w1. Okay, then it will true, otherwise it will false. So here we can see hello and lead code. Okay, so hl we are I mean here this is the order hl true, h come before l. Okay, bird comma bird and row. So here you can see bird, this is false, d come after I. Okay, but I should come after d. No, this is l, not I. So d come after l. Apple comma f. Okay, here you can see abc, this is also false. Longer word come before. Okay, so it's prefix rule broken. So here you can see longer word, this is one. Okay, and this is a smaller word. Okay, so longer word come before. Longer word come first. Okay, so this will broke prefix rule, and output should be false. Okay, so guys, here I am going to write code. Okay, so first of all I need to define function def, this is the function name. Okay, here I am going to pass what words comma order. Okay, now I am going to calculate it rank. Okay, I already show you how to create rank. Okay, so ch for character, I for I. Okay, comma ch in enumerate here order. Okay, so here I am going to create rank of order. And what is the order? This is the order. Okay, w o r l d a b c d e f g h I. Okay, so here I am going to calculate rank like this. Okay, ch. Okay, so here if we have any like h, you can take h. In comment you can take h, and like if you have h equals to like h I equals to 0, initially we have equals to I equals to 0. So you need to enumerate it, and it will give you answer in dictionary. Okay, like it will give you key and values. Okay, so we have h equals to key, and 0 equals to value. Okay, so we will do it like every character from order. So we can take every character from this order, and we can calculate rank of this order, rank of this I mean rank of the character from this order. Okay, now I am going to use loop for I in range length of bird, length of birds minus 1. Okay, so here we have length of bird. So I am going to and initially I am going to take this bird, word, and row. Okay, so first of all we need to take word, word. Here you can see we have three. Bird equals to word, bird, word, and row. So we have three in words. Okay, so three elements in words. So length of birds equals to 3. So here length of birds equals to 3. Okay, now like now I am going to create another line like w1 comma w2. Okay, equals to word of I. Okay, word of I comma word of I plus 1. So here I am going to take w1 and w2, word of I and word of I plus 1. This is not a word, this is the words. Okay, because we already took words. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, so first word is this one, word, and second word I plus 1, that is bird. Okay, and this one like initially if we have I equals to 0, then we have add I equals to 0 equals to word. Okay, if I equals to 0 plus 1, then we have word. Okay, so we are going to take these word here, w2 and in w like w2, w1 and w2. Okay, so now I am going to use loop for j in range minimum length of w1 comma length of w2. Here for I, sorry, for j, not I. Okay, so for j in the range of minimum length of w1 and length of w2. Okay, so if the order of letter wrong. Now for j in range of minimum length w1 and length of w2. Okay, so after this, if I'm going to calculate if w1 of j is not equals to w2 in bracket j. Okay, now if rank of w1j w1 comma sorry w1 j is greater than rank of w2j colon. So here, I'm going to apply for loop. Okay, for words and length of words is 3. Okay, so we are initially we need to take two words w1 and w2. Okay, here you can see bird and world. Okay, so we are going to take this word. At index 0 we have bird, and at index 0 plus 1 we have word. Okay, so for j in range of minimum length of w1 and length of w2. Okay, so here you can see in example 1. Okay, we are going to check and comparison its length. Okay, like it is greater than or it is less than. Okay, so if w1 and w2. Okay, so here we are going to take two word w like bird and bird. Okay, if j in range of minimum length of w1 and length of w2. Okay, so here if wj is not equals to like w1j is not equals to w2j. Okay, so here like if we have both are equal in first case. Okay, here you can see w1 or j is not equals to wj. w1 j is h. Okay, and w2j is l. Okay, so rank of w1j is 0 and w1j, and rank of w2j is 1. Okay, so here both are not equal. Okay, but correct in order because 0 is less than 1. Okay, s should come before to the l. Okay, then like if we have like h, and we are going to compare h from hello and l from LeetCode. Okay, I'm going to take this example. Okay, so I'm going to take h and l from LeetCode. Okay, h from hello and l for LeetCode. Now both are not equal, then we check its rank. Okay, so we have h1. Okay, so here we can see h is not equals to the l. Okay, but index of this we have h equals to 0. We have at h equals to 0 index, and l is at index 1. Okay, so here you can see if rank w1j is greater than rank of w2j, then it will return false. But what we have. Okay, w1j rank is less than w2. Okay, so that's why it will true. Okay, so here we got true result. Okay, for hello and lead code. Okay, so here like if we take example for lead code and hello. Okay, so we have two words hello and lead code. Here at index 0 we have hello, and index 0 we have lead code. Okay, and here length of words is equals to 2. Okay, not three. Here we have two words, hello and lead code. Okay, and we have two words, hello and lead code here. Okay, so for j in range of minimum length of w1 and length of w2. W1 equals to h and w2 equals to l. Okay, so here we can see I'm going to write w1 equals to h, comma w2 equals to l. Okay, so w1 equals to h and w2 equals to l. So now I am going to compare this these both character. Okay, so here I am going to check if w1j is not equals to w2j. So here you can see h is not equals to l. Okay, but it's h present at 0 index and l present at 1 index. Okay, so here they said that it's a rank of w1j. Okay, here you can see rank of w1j in lead code program. Okay, so we have w1j at index 0 and w2j at index like 1. Okay, so its rank is 1 and its rank is 0. Okay, so 0 is less than 1, so they is in like correct order. Okay, otherwise if w1 j is greater than rank of w2j, okay, then it will return false. Okay guys, I'm trying too hard like to understand you. Now it will break. Okay, if it is false then it will break. Okay, like if it is true then it will return true. Now for now I am using else condition. If length of w1 is greater than length of w2, if we have length of w1 is greater than length of w2, it return false. Okay, and here also return false. Okay, so we can check with another example. If we have length of w1 is greater than length of w2. Okay, so here in example third, this one we have apple and f. Okay, but its order like we can take apple and a like apple and f, both words. Okay, so here apple and app, second word is app. So we are going to use loop and we need to take a here, but w1 equals to a and w2 equals to like this. Okay, here we need to take w1 equals to a and w2 equals to a. W here again we need to check with another word. Okay, so w1 equals to p and w2 equals to p. Here again we need to check w3 equals to p and w like w1 equals to p and w2 equals to also p. Okay, so these are the word here. Here we need to check, so these are equal. Okay, so this condition is will fall. Okay, this condition will fall because every word are equal. Okay, here you can see a equals to a equals to a, p equals to p, and p equals to p in those words apple and app. So here like if we check here and now it will give you false. Okay, then it will like then we don't need to check this condition, we move this condition. Okay, so we are going to check its length of w1 is greater than length of w2. Okay, so here we have w1 length is 5 and w2 length is 3. So w2 is length is, sorry, w1 is length is greater than to w2. Okay, so this will return false. Okay, so I hope you got it. Longer length word come before its prefix. Guys, or you can understand, I'm going to take another example. Okay, so here these are the bird, word and row. Okay, so here we are going to take length of bird equals to 3, and we are going to take bird world and okay here, and we are going to compare with this each words. Okay, w equals to w, same, these are same, okay, and here at the last they are in wrong order. Okay, and length of first one is greater than length of second. Okay, so that's will why it will break and return false. Okay, here, so guys, this is a like function for alien order. So here I am going to return, I'm going to test my code with example, with this example. Okay, I'm going to take these three examples that we can test our code that it will right and wrong. Okay, now I am going to run this. Okay, so this will give you false, 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 everywhere false. mm, I need to check. Okay, if rank of w1j is greater than rank of w2, colon, return false, and break. Else if length of w1 is greater than length of w2, return false and return false. I think everything is fine. So guys, here I did some mistake in indentations. Okay, then you can check and do correct. Okay, so I solved this. Now I'm going to close this stream. Bye bye, take care.